How to replace a printhead in the HP DesignJet XL 3800 multifunction printer. On the printer's control panel, tap Supplies, then tap Printheads, then replace printheads. The carriage advances to the removal position. Open the top cover. Open the latch on top of the carriage. Lift the cover to gain access to the printheads. Lift the blue handle. Gently disengage the printhead with the blue handle and pull it upwards until the printhead is free of the carriage. Caution, do not pull abruptly as it could damage the printhead. Remove the orange protective caps by pulling them down. Perform steps 1 to 6 in reverse order. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.